Hi, this is Nigel Winberg with People Are Wild. I recently lost my pith helmet, so I'll be having to make do with this one. It's not as good, but it'll work. Today in this episode, I'm going to show you the Geek and the Game Obsessy. Personally, they're a few of my favorites, and enjoy. Okay, so my first topic will be the Game Obsessy. The Game Obsessy is a simple creature. It tries to immerse itself in its violent simulations to create a mental block for reality. It's very difficult to communicate with the Game Obsessy while it's in this vegetative state. So now we will be discussing the Geek. The Geek is a lot more intricate than the Game Obsessy because it's much like the Nerd, which we will be discussing in a further episode, as in it doesn't really fit in socially, but it has the intelligence to succeed. The only difference is that a geek believes that it's actually athletic and quote-unquote cool, which everyone knows it's not.